Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a problem where you have a car. It could be almost any car, Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, American, German, Asian guys. If you have a problem where you press the brake pedal and actually you guys have hard brakes, okay? The brake pedal is hard, the brakes are weak, you have to step on it really hard to engage the brakes. It could be quite simple fix. Let's explain what we have here now guys. We'll demonstrate on that Porsche car and it happened twice to us already on multiple cars. But things that can really go wrong. So guys, when the engine runs, okay, it creates vacuum, and that vacuum goes to the brake booster. This is the booster, this is the brake fluid reservoir, underneath is the brake pump, this is the booster, on the other side is your brake pedal. When you apply the brakes, that booster amplifies your effort and it's controlled by vacuum. A vacuum hose will go in it, okay, a vacuum hose like this one that comes from the engine, and it has a big membrane, and that membrane will amplify your effort. Well, some engines have, okay, natural vacuum, some use vacuum pump, especially if you have a hybrid or anything like that where the engine turns off. Now, guys, the number one thing for weak brakes that we see here is leaking from a brake, okay, vacuum line. This one is cracked right here. This one caused a leak on this side, and on the other side of the line, okay, we repaired it so we can get home. Okay, which you shouldn't do, you should just replace it because that's dangerous, you can lose your brakes all the way. So don't do what we did. But this is another one right here, another leak guys. So that causes loss of vacuum. When you lose the vacuum, you lose your brakes because there is nothing to help that booster amplifies your effort. Now, another thing, you may have a brake vacuum pump. So you need to test your brake vacuum pump. We have a video how to do that on our YouTube channels. It's quite easy, test brake vacuum pump. If you have a brake vacuum pump, check the fuse and the relay for the brake vacuum pump as well. Another thing that can affect guys in some cases, okay, the brakes as well. It could be a brake booster, failing brake booster too. If the membrane is malfunctioning inside, that can happen, but it happened only one time for our whole career. So only one time that happened guys. So most of the times it's a brake vacuum leak that causes that problem that could be quite easy to fix guys. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let us know. We are here guys to help you, save you as much money as we can. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can reach more people, make that channel big, save more people money. That's our goal here at the garage. Thank you for watching, see you next time.